Good morning, children. Children, let us continue with a few more examples of notice writing questions. Children, once more I would like to explain you the outlay or the format or the layout. See, first of all, you have to write the name of the issuing authority or the school or the organization, followed by the word notice in block letters. Please see the format. Exactly the same way you have to draft the format. The format has to be the same, and the white sheet itself is the box, children. Okay? Then the date. Between the word notice and the title, you have to write the date, extreme left hand side. Then coming to the content, you have to write what is the event, the date, timings, venue, chief guest or any other additional information. So just you can make a note over here after chief guest, any other relevant or additional information. Finally, your signature, your name and your designation. So this is the layout. Once again, I have discussed the layout with you, children. Now, the topics for notice writing are many, children. They can be on cultural and academic activities, on picnics, tours and excursions, sports, NSS, Red Cross, blood donation camp and all, okay, under the Red Cross Society, camps, lost and found, some celebration or public notices. Now, public notices usually are the residents' welfare associations who draft the notice for the members of the society, or some notices that are put outside or on the notice board of some park. Okay, some do's and don'ts for the people entering the park. Okay, let's move on to the next slide. Now, examples. First of all, children, cultural and academic activities. Okay, let's read the question and it will be more clear. You are Rachit Rachna. As the secretary, see, your designation is already mentioned, children. You are the secretary of the Social Service League of your school. You have organized a cultural benefit show in aid of mentally handicapped children of your city. So, what and why? Both the questions have been answered. Write a notice in not more than 50 words for your school notice board giving necessary information about the program. So, it's very well understood, children. Under necessary information, you have to write when is it, where will it be held, any chief guest if you have invited, or any other relevant details. Okay, let us move on to the notice now. Okay, so Social Service League, Tagore Model School, Dibrugarh. Children, Social Service League of Tagore Model School. So that's also, even if you drop Social Service League, it will be acceptable. You can just begin from Tagore Model School, Dibrugarh, followed by the word notice, then your date 31st August 2020, the cultural show. So this is your title. Name of the institution, the word notice, date and the heading. Now let's see the first line. What, why, when, where? These questions have to be answered. So let's quickly go through the notice. A cultural benefit show for the aid of mentally handicapped children is being organized on 5th September 2020, 5 p.m. onwards in the school auditorium. Okay, understood? So, the date is given, time is given and where in the school auditorium. The show will present a dance drama by Rabindranath Tagore. So this is another additional information. What it is in detail. Entitled Chandalika. All are cordially invited to make the show a grand success. So it's a notice, come invitation. Okay, so it's a notice giving invitation to the public, a cultural benefit show. Then you will be signing yourself Rachit, secretary. Okay, you can sign, children, even if you don't sign, it's okay. Marks will not be deducted if you don't sign. So your name Rachit and then your designation. Let's look on to the next slide. You are Partha, the secretary of the science club of your school. Write a notice in not more than 50 words informing the students about an inter-school science exhibition and encouraging them to participate in it. See, an additional point is written, children, and encouraging them to participate in it. So let's see how we draft this notice, children. Science Club, Gandhi Memorial School, Kanpur. I will again tell you, you can also begin with just the name of the school. You may omit the science club. So just begin from here. Gandhi Memorial School, Kanpur. Followed by the word notice. 31st August 2020. Then the title, Inter-School Science Exhibition. Are you seeing, children? The language used is passive and there is no use of personal pronouns. Keep seeing all this. Keep noticing all this, children, that the language used, please observe the language used. Also see that no personal pronoun has been used. Bright, enterprising and intelligent students are invited to participate in the inter-school science exhibition to be held in the school on 15th September 2020. You know, the language used here is a little catchy. It will catch hold the attention of students. 9 a.m. onwards, submit the charts, models and projects by 9th September. Appear before the screening committee on 12th September in the science laboratory. For further details, contact the undersigned. Got it? You can just go through it, children. Yes, Parth, secretary. So the name used here is Parth, secretary. Okay, let's move on to the next. It's on picnics, tours, excursions. The Students' Council of your school has organized an excursion to Ajanta and Ellora for the students of classes 11th and 12th during winter break. As the president of the council, write a notice in not more than 50 words telling the students about this excursion and inviting their names for the same. So let's go through. Students' Council, Modern Public School, Nagpur, notice. Okay, again I am dropping the Students' Council. So it's Modern Public School, Nagpur, notice. 1st September the date, then the heading. See the style of writing the heading, children, just to make it a little catchy. A good news for the students of classes 11th and 12th. So are you seeing the way the heading has been written? Yes. An excursion to Ajanta and Ellora is being organized during the winter break from 22nd December 2020 to 3rd January 2021. The fee will be rupees 5,000 per head, which is to be deposited latest by 15th September. So these are all the relevant details, children, that you have furnished. The plan includes visiting Mumbai and other sites besides the caves. Interested students may contact the undersigned and deposit the cash. Vijay Sharma, President. Clear? So these are all ways, children, you can draft the notice. Let us look at the next, okay, regarding some sports NSS Red Cross camps. I will be sharing this PPT with you and you can go through it. You can go through all the samples given in it. Write a notice in not more than 50 words for the school notice board inviting volunteers for an NSS camp. You are Jay Jaya, the group leader of Flying Heights School, Patna. Okay. Flying Heights School, Patna. The word notice, date, NSS camp. An NSS camp of the unit will be held from 5th September to 10th September 2020, staying at village La Rampur. The projects include adult literacy, cleanliness campaign and health awareness. See children, the more samples you will read, you will get an idea of how to write or draft an effective notice. So please read as many samples of notices that you can. Okay? So the volunteers should give their names to the undersigned by 2nd September 2020. Okay, Jay, group leader. Inviting volunteers for a one-day blood donation camp. Okay, we have discussed this also. You can just see the sample, children. So, what it is, the Red Cross Society of India is organizing a blood donation camp at the school on 10th September 2020 from timings from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Children, we had also discussed that you can frame, you can write the details of date, venue, time in the tabular form. So that is also acceptable. Either you can write it in this way or you can make it centrally aligned in a tabular form. So it's up to you. Lost and found, you may skip, children. And you can again come to, okay, found a watch. You can come to celebrations, children, directly. To celebrate its silver jubilee, write a notice. Now here, children, the scope of inviting a chief guest is there. So let's see one sample. Gandhi Memorial School, Kharagpur, notice, silver jubilee celebration. A good news for the students, exclamation mark. The Students' Council is organizing a cultural function on 15th September 2020. Who is organizing? When it is being organizing? When will it be organized? What is being organized? In the and where? School auditorium to celebrate the silver jubilee of the school. Why is it being celebrated? The cultural evening will comprise of songs, dances, skits, etc. Please participate and lend active cooperation to make the function a grand success. For further details, contact the undersigned Rajan, head boy. Okay. No scope for the teacher to cut marks, children. Complete 3 marks will be given by the teacher. Some public notices, children. Secretary of Prime Residence Welfare Society, Diamonds Heights, Mumbai. Write a notice in not more than 50 words requesting the members of the society to attend a meeting to discuss the problem of security of the members of your society. See. Prime Residence Welfare Society, Diamond Heights. Here, please mention, because it's the welfare society. This is the complete information, children. Diamond Heights Extension, Mumbai. Okay, because it did not fit in the first line, we have used the second line and all centrally aligned. The word notice, date, problem of security. A meeting of the members will be held to discuss the problem of security of the members of the society. The meeting will be on 3rd September 2020 at 6 p.m. in the community center of the society. All the members are requested to attend the meeting and give their considered opinion or valuable suggestions. Rakesh, Secretary. Okay, so with this we come to the end of this PPT, children. I will suggest you that read as many examples you can. Then you will understand the different ways of drafting an effective notice. I will be sharing more examples with you, but then that will only be as samples which you can go through. Okay, children, you will be doing your assignment for the day is that one from each category, one on, event, one on public notice, one on this sports and NSS contribution, one you will be doing. So one from each category you will be writing down in your notebook. There were many categories explained. So you will be writing draft one notice from each category. You can copy down one of these samples only in your notebook. So this will be your assignment for the day. Thank you, class.